Hello visitors, welcome to the Google Apps training tutorials by TechBliss Solutions. This is Ashwin once again, and in this video I am going to explain you how to use Gmail with help of some softwares. In this video we focus on mainly two protocols. Those are IMAP and POP. First of all, coming to POP, it stands for Post Office Protocol, as you know, and the second one is IMAP, it is Internet Message Access Protocol. So to use the software in Gmail we need to enable access to both the protocols. So for that we need to click on the settings, and here you can see an option of forwarding and POP or IMAP. If you just click on this, see, you need to enable and disable the POP or IMAP explicitly. Here you have several options for that. The first thing is that the current status, the POP is disabled here. So you can see here. See, if you want to enable it, just click on enable. You can enable it for all mail, or else you can just enable for the mails that arrive from now on. And here you can see the second option here, when message are accessed with POP. You can have several options here. You can keep the current account mails copy in the inbox, or you can mark the copy as read, or you can archive it, or you can delete it. So we have several options to choose what happens to our own copy after enabling the POP, or else. And here you can have the third option, the configure your email client. So you can add several clients like Outlook, Udera and Netscape Mail. So there are specific instructions for each of the email client, and if you can open this in a new tab, you can see here there are several instructions for this. You can go through it, and here if you can see here IMAP access. So this is for configuring your access to the IMAP mails. So currently it is also being disabled, so you can even enable or disable IMAP. And here even you can configure your mail clients like Outlook and Thunderbird, that is for Linux operating system, and you can even have access through an iPhone if you have it. And there are configuration instructions for this too. You can see here if you click on this thing. And remember one thing, if you are using a mail which is being managed by an organization or an Google Apps education subscription, then you need to contact your app administrator for this, for enabling the IMAP and POP address. So even this account is also managed by Divine Bliss Technology, so I need to contact my administrator for enabling it, or I can do it manually. Here they gave me an option to do that manually. So if I want to save these things, I just click on the save changes, or else I just click on the cancel. See, I just leave it here. And one thing to remember is that the main difference between POP and an IMAP is that in the POP the mails directly get downloaded to your physical system, and whereas in IMAP, along with that, a real-time communication exists between the two persons who are contacting with each other. And the IMAP protocol, that is the IMAP access, provides an efficient communication between the two persons, and in this way you can manage your POP and IMAP access to the Gmail. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.